Welcome to your tutorial on how to create a new article on Globuzzer. To begin creating, simply press on the plus sign and select Article. Your draft will be available for you to start writing. Below your profile picture, you'll be able to choose where to post your article once it's done. You can also add a topic to keep your post organized. Let's start by adding a title. An excellent title is an essential part of any piece of writing in SEO searches. To rank high on a search engine, bear in mind to write a captivating title by using keywords. It's a good idea to capitalize the first letter of every word. Now that you have your title in place, it's time to write your piece. Consider starting your article by writing a short description of what you want to talk about. Try to repeat your keyword throughout your post, but don't overuse it in a way that feels unnatural. When you jump to a new line in your draft, you'll see a plus sign to your left. This tool allows you to add photos, videos, files, and a separating line to divide paragraphs or sections within your article. You can also embed content such as YouTube videos or Google Maps. For example, open YouTube. Look for a video that you would like to add to your text. Below the video, there's an option to share. Click on Embed so you can copy the link. Go back to your article and choose within your tools to paste the embedded link. Consider adding a small description as a quotation below your embedded videos or photos. To do so, highlight the description and press on the quote button. Now, when it comes to your text, you can highlight the paragraph that you want to edit. You can change to bold, italic, add links, and create bullets and numbered lists. Hyperlinking plays an important part when it comes to search engine optimization, or better known as SEO. Hyperlinks can be used to direct visitors to external businesses as well as within your travel blog. To add a hyperlink, simply highlight a word and click on the link tool. Paste the website's URL and press Insert. To add subheadings within the article, write your sentence and highlight it. Then, click on the header toggle to change its font size and appearance. Before finishing a post, you can add a call to action, where you urge your readers to subscribe or explore more of your travel blog. Your article saves automatically, so you don't need to worry about saving. Once your draft is ready, it's time to publish it. Simply press post and your article will go live. Remember that you can always go back and edit your article. Sharing your article on your social media can be a nice way for more people to see it. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and good luck with your content writing. Thank you for joining us on Globuzzer. Don't forget to subscribe and check out our other videos. We hope to see you again soon.